Today, I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart stand. So a heart that kind of stands up. So to do this, we're going to need to get a square sheet of paper. And if you don't have one, I'll show you quickly how to make one. Let me clean up some of my previous mess here. Now, if you're a child, you're going to need an adult to help you, because scissors are sharp and they can be dangerous. So please get an adult to help you so you don't injure yourself or someone else. Now, take a regular piece of paper. You're going to fold it diagonally, nice and evenly, from corner all the way along that edge. Then you're going to want to take and you're going to want to cut off the extra piece here. When you do that, you will end up with a square sheet of paper. Now, to start, we got to fold it in half both ways. Okay, now we unfold it. Okay, now we're going to take one of the sides, we're going to fold it to the center line. Sorry, not just one, both sides. Unfold that. Fold it to the center line. Now fold that right side back over. Now you got the right and left side folded over to the center line. Now you're going to take this top, you're going to fold it down. Sorry. You're going to turn it over to the other side. Then you're going to take the top and you fold it down, just part way. Nice and evenly, just part way. And then you want to kind of open that up, and you're going to open it and fold it like that. So you're going to open this side and you're going to fold it like that. Okay? Nice and even. Okay? Now, you're going to take these corners and you're going to fold them in. Just line them up with the bottom line here, and you're good to go. Now you're going to take it, you're going to fold it in half. Okay? You want to turn it over like that, from bottom to top. And then you're going to take just this one layer, and you're going to fold this over. Take this other layer, the other side, the one layer, you're going to fold that over as well, evenly. So you got both of them folded over, right? Now, you're going to take the bottom and you want to fold it up to that line. So take the bottom corners and fold them up. Take the other corner and fold it up. Nice and even. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold this, just the top layer, fold it down. Okay, just the top layer. Then you're going to turn it over. Try to straighten out your creases for the top here a little bit. And then it's going to stand just like that. And there you go. You have your completed stand-up heart. Just like that. Stands up nicely. Great for Valentine's Day or anything else. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Have a great day.